Balance life with a balanced diet. Today, I, Gargi Konar, will present before you a demonstration of adoration by cooking happiness in the name of the absolutely effortlessly made sweet corn peas pulao, which can be prepared in a jiffy. The crunchy and sweetness in the corn with aromatic spicy masala made it a tasty one pot meal. Nourishment is the key to a healthy lifestyle, and this dish is super nutritious, having rich source of fiber, protein, low fat, and hence diabetic friendly. Highly recommended for detoxifying the body. So listen to your palate and explore the foodie in you. Sweet corn peas pulao is a nutritious one-pot meal that I have served with pomegranate raita and papad with salad. This is highly nutritious. Hope you like this. Thank you. Prepare pomegranate raita. I need curd, pomegranate juice, pomegranate seeds, roasted cumin powder, red chili powder, little bit of sugar and salt to taste. Now I'll show you the process. So first of all, I take curd and into this I'll mix the other ingredients. I mix the pomegranate juice with this curd. I add half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of roasted cumin seeds, sugar 1 tablespoon. First of all, I'll mix this properly. Now I add the pomegranate seeds into this and stir this properly. Are the ingredients that I need to prepare the dish. I need rice. I've taken basmati rice. I need ghee. This is desi ghee. I need a paste that I've prepared with garlic, ginger, green chilies and pudina leaf. This is corn, green peas, and I have taken some Indian spices. I have cardamom, I have cinnamon, I have star anise, I have cloves, shahi zira, bay leaves, salt to taste. I have turmeric powder, garam masala, red chili powder, a little bit of sugar to taste. And I need water. Now let's start to cook the dish. I cook this dish in a pressure cooker. First of all, I heat the cooker, then I add 2 tablespoons of ghee to this. Now to this I'll add the spices, dry spices. Shahi zira, bay leaf. I'll stir this for some time. To this I'll add the ginger, garlic and chili paste. I've added pudina to this. So this green color, I'm adding this. I'll cook this for some time. Now to this I add a little bit of sugar. I add half tablespoon of salt, turmeric powder, I add red chili powder and little bit of garam masala. Now I'll stir this. I'll lower the flame and stir it thoroughly. I get a lovely aroma of all the spices that I have. Now I'll add the green peas to this and I'll add the corn. This will add to the nutritional value of the dish and it's very good for the children especially. And I'll cook this for some time till it is softer, it becomes softer. I'll keep it at medium flame now. Now the peas and the corn are almost cooked, so I'll add the soaked basmati rice to this. I'll stir this properly so that all the spices gets a thorough mix. Now to this I'll add 1.5 cup of water and cook it for around 10 minutes till it releases the. I'll close the vent and let it cook for some time. Corn peas pulao is prepared and now I can do the plating. So friends, if you like the dish, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.